Landed here in London town, far from where the sun beats down.
Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. A lot of people have been asking me when they should plant their seeds. So I decided to make that video to help answer that. Plus, I will be working on more video showing the best planting methods for different seeds as soon as I can. If you bought seeds from me and are wondering when to plant them, the best time is after the end of March or after the last frost in your area. This gives your plants the best chance to grow strong and healthy outdoors. However, if you have a greenhouse with a heater or are growing indoor under the right conditions, you can start earlier. Just make sure they get enough warm light and proper airflow to avoid issues like weak stem or mold. Right now, since it's day February, I'm testing the planting of water Spanish, Roselle, and a few other seeds. So far, only the Roselle and water Spanish have sprouted, but I can't say for sure if they will survive all the way to summer. I will be monitoring them closely and will update you along the way.
I plant my love in the frozen ground. Green fingers work, turn it all around. Even in this cold, wet weather, I make roses grow through stormy.
A quick note, everything I am sharing is based on my own experiment and my experience living in the UK. If you live in a warmer climate, you might be able to start even earlier. But if your state has frost into late spring, you might need to wait a little bit longer or use protective cover for your young plants.
If I'm gardening, I hardly notice. The rain taps soft on my window pane. Gray sky's heavy, but I don't complain. Pull on my boots, step in the dirt. Hands in the soil, wash away the hurt. The world feels far, but I'm right here, where flowers bloom and roots grow near. Is it cold? If I'm gone, they hardly notice. Sun or storm, my heart still grows this. Every little seed, every little dream, digging through the earth, setting myself free. Tomatoes climb, peppers turn red. A piece of me and more in this flower bed. The weather shifts, my hands stay strong.
If you're planning to plant after March, now is a great time to prepare your soil. Make sure it's well draining, rich in nutrition, and free of weeds. If you're growing indoor, keep an eye on humidity level and make sure your seedling and getting leggy due to the lack of light.
Through every season I carry on. The rain may fall, the frost may bite, but green still rises in morning light. Is it cold? If I'm gardening, hardly notice. Sun or storm, my heart still grows this. Every little seed, every little dream, digging through the earth, setting myself free. Maybe it's the dirt, maybe it's the air, maybe it's the way love lingers there.
So I need to carry on with my job. I hope this helped answer your question. If you're studying your season, be sure to time is right for the best results. I will be sharing more update and planting tips. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and keep watching. See you in the next video. Bye bye.
I plant my past, I grow my home. No matter where I go, I'm never alone. So let the wind howl, let the sky turn gray. With green fingers I'll find my way. Is it cold? If I'm gardening, hardly notice. this. Every little seed, every little dream, digging through the earth, setting myself free. Tomatoes, corn, peppers turn red, a piece forever in this forever in this valley. In this valley. Maybe it's the dirt, maybe it's the air, maybe it's the way love lingers there.